Alright guys, I'm at the grocery store. Check this out. I'm picking up these mandarins, Fuji apples, and some pears. This is a typical grocery store here. Pretty neat. There's some squash here. Alright guys, I'm at the grocery store. You gotta check this out. Like, Japan is known for their ramen, but did you know they make this tiny version of ramen in a cup? And look at this. There's a Pokemon ramen as well. Like, there's so many neat little trinket stuff here. Check that out. I don't even know what half of this stuff is. Alright guys, at the grocery store, check this out. Look at the squid. And you gotta check out this right here. Look at the crab they have here. It's only like 10 bucks. See that? It's pretty neat. All that crab. Guys, I'm at the freezer section of the grocery store. You gotta check this out. This is the tiniest Ben & Jerry's I've ever seen. Look at that. Look at the size of these things. Oh, can you grab that? There's my hand.